Captains, my name is Helena, and together with Carolina we'll be taking care of your comfort, but most importantly your safety in the cabin. To comply with safety regulations, please now ensure that your cabin baggage is safely stowed either in the overhead lockers or well underneath the seat in front of you. Cabin baggage must not obstruct the aisle or emergency exits, and this is especially important if you are seated in row 1, where all cabin baggage, including ladies' handbags and loose jackets, must be stowed in the overhead lockers for taxi, takeoff and again for landing. As you'll be taken off shortly, please now ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your tray tables are stowed and your armrests are down. Smoking is not permitted on board the aircraft at any time, and the use of electronic cigarettes is not permitted. Mobile phones and tablets are permitted for use for the duration of the flight on flight mode. However, if your device does not support flight mode, it must be switched off now and remain switched off for the flight duration. Laptop computers and larger portable electronic devices must be switched off now and stowed securely for taxi, takeoff and again for landing. During taxi, takeoff and landing, only earbud type earphones are permitted. Personal headsets must not be used or worn at these times. We will shortly take you through the safety features on board this ATR 72-600 aircraft. As this demonstration is for your safety, please give it your full attention. May I take this opportunity now to wish you all a very pleasant flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we draw your attention to the safety features on this aircraft. Please ensure that all headphones, including earbuds, are removed for the duration of this demonstration. The safety card in your seat pocket shows details of escape routes, life jackets, and the emergency bracing position. There are 4 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 at the front of the cabin at row 1, 1 on the left and 1 on the right, and 2 at the rear of the cabin. 1 on the left which you boarded through, and 1 on the right. They are all clearly marked by exit signs. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. Floor level lighting will illuminate to guide you to these exits in poor visibility. Your life jacket is under your seat. When instructed, remove the cover and place the jacket over your head. Bring the strap to the front of the jacket, clip and pull the strap tightly to secure it around your waist. Only when outside the aircraft, pull sharply on the red toggles to inflate it. There is a mouthpiece on either side for further inflation or deflation, and each jacket is equipped with a light and a whistle. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle. Pull firmly on the strap to secure it around your waist, and to open, lift up the buckle cover, which should be facing away from you. Please now ensure that your seat back is in a fully upright position with the armrest down. Your tray tables are stowed and your seat belts are securely fastened. Thank you for your attention.